Good evening, guys.
Good evening.
Mkwaje?
Oh.
Okay, today's lesson is about foundation. Now I'll start with the learning outcomes, and the first learning outcome is definition term of foundation, and then we'll state the categories of foundation and understand the various types of shallow foundations. Okay. You are not seeing my screen. Okay. Okay. I will talk about foundation and the meaning of foundation. Foundation refers to the lower part of a structure which is designed to distribute the weight of the building evenly and provide a firm footing. Okay, Isa, we have categories of foundation. Can you lead us there so that others can see those categories?
We have deep foundation.
Yes.
Shallow foundation.
Okay. Those are the two categories of foundation. And then we go straight to see on shallow foundation. Now we see that a shallow foundation is a type of foundation whose depth is equal or less than the width of the foundation, and the most common used foundation. Then shallow foundation is generally used for today's top 5 meters to 4 meters, and it is generally constructed above the water table. The base of the structure is spread to provide individual support. Okay, now we will move on to see types of shallow foundation. Bernard, can you lead us there?
Types of foundation, we have a wall footing.
Okay, we have a wall footing. In a wall footing, there are two different types of a wall footing. One is simple wall footing and stepped wall footing. And then in wall footing, we have lightweight or temporary structure. Simple wall footing are used because it has a concrete base below the walls with no steps on the wall. Another thing, with load-bearing structure, the wall area spreads step by step till the foundation level, and this is known as stepped foundation. Now we'll move on. Number B. We have number 2, which is isolated footing. Isa.
Isolated footing is used to support individual columns which are step by type or have projection in concrete base. In case of the isolated footing zone, 15 cm offset is generally provided on all sides of the concrete bed.
That's number 2 type of shallow footing.
I have a question there. What is it? I have not understood what is that.
This is the type of shallow foundation, and that's number 2 type of shallow foundation. Now we move on number 3 type of shallow foundation. So number 3 is combined footing. Bernard, can you please?
Combined footing, yeah. There are some special cases where there are two columns that are located near each other in the structure layout plan.
Okay, from there we'll move on type number 4. Type number 4, we have cantilever. Kipchumba. can you lead us through cantilever footing or strap footing?
It's a type of footing that is suitable when the column is located near the boundary of the plot, and it is yeah.
Yes, that's number 4 types of shallow foundation. And then we will now see on number 5 type of shallow foundation, that is raft or mat foundation. Isa.
Raft foundation are suitable where the ground is soft or marshy, which has a very low bearing capacity, and where the subsoil water conditions are uncertain.
Okay, that is number 5 type of shallow foundation. So to add on, in a raft or mat foundation, this type of foundation is made on the clay soil. It's mostly made on on the type of clay soil, and it consists of thick reinforced concrete slab covering the entire area of the bottom of the structure. Then I think that is what we'll cover today, and until in the next lesson maybe we will look at the type of deep foundation, and maybe I just summarize the lesson whereby as learners or students, we should be able to provide a brief description of foundation, categories of foundation, and the type of shallow foundation that we have been able to cover today. And that's the end of our lesson today, and thank you for you being there.
Thank you. What next? Click up.